Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to link bank account to PayPal. Well, this is just a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your PayPal account right here and then click wallet beside send and request. Tap this one. And then you will see here a link, a bank account or link a card. And all you have to do is to click that link a bank account here and then enter your bank name any details that they ask to link your bank account to your PayPal. Now, there are some cases that your bank account is linked to Wise, and let's just say you receive money from Wise or your bank account is connected to your Wise and you wanted your Wise account to be connected to your PayPal. Let's just say something about that. So what you're going to do is you have to go to your Wise and get your details here. So get your details and then after you have get your details, you can go back to your PayPal and enter the details that are needed here. Once you have added the details from your Wise, you will be notified here, Wise payments. And above here is the card details. Now, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click this agree and link. And then you will see here, accept your direct debit instruction, Wise payment. You will see your current account here. So to use your bank with PayPal, read and accept your direct debit instruction. So here is your name or name of account holder, accounts, Wise payment, and then payments will appear as PayPal on your bank statement. And they will email you a copy of your direct debit instruction. So submit direct debit instruction. Tap this one. And then as you can see, come back in 2 days. In 2 business days, look for a deposit in your bank account. We'll send a small deposit amount to your bank account. The 4-digit code will appear next to the amount deposit. After you get the code from your Wise, then you can go back to your PayPal, enter confirmation code in PayPal. So you have to log into your PayPal, select the bank account from your payment methods, and enter the confirmation code to confirm your bank account. So go back to your Wise, and then you have to see this PayPal code right here. You have to copy that one or you have to memorize that one. This is the PayPal code that you need to input when you log into your PayPal. So once you copy this or you get this, go back to your PayPal and then what you're going to do here is you have to go to status ready to confirm. You have to click this confirm bank account. As you can see, we have sent a confirmation code to your bank account. Look for the code on your bank account activity and enter it below to confirm your account. So click this confirm bank account right here. And then after you tap this, you have to enter the code here. So confirm your bank. We have sent a confirmation code to your bank account. All you have to do is to enter the 4-digit and then after that click confirm. Then you can see here that aside from your bank account, you have also linked your Wise. So this is the Wise payment. Again, to link a bank account, you just have to enter the details of your bank account here. To link your Wise payment account, you just have to follow the instructions that I have showed you earlier. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.